Ready for another MPG test drive? This one is really different. We're in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra Eco. This is one of the most fuel efficient compact cars that I have ever driven that's not a hybrid. The numbers are just crazy. And I'm testing this two ways. The first time I'm testing it is on normal E10 gasoline. That's 10% ethanol. That's pretty much what you get all across America from a normal pump. The second way I'm going to test it is with E15. And that's why I'm here at Omega Fuels in Southampton, Pennsylvania. I'm putting some extra juice in the tank. Now, I'm not filling the whole thing up with E15 from the pump, even though we can get E15 from the pump, because I've used up half a tank already doing my highway laps on E10. This is the halfway point on the first loop. We are in normal mode. It is 76 degrees. Winds are around 6 miles an hour, although it looks like they've slowed down right now. This is just extraordinary, really extraordinary. Let's see where we finish this one up. All right, this is the end of the first loop. This is cruise control on, set to 68 approximately, and regular mode, normal mode. Look at that. That's freaking nuts. That's just nuts. Mind-boggling. Coming up to the underpass here where we'll set the point. Next one is going to be eco mode. There you go, 55. Insane. All right, halfway point in eco mode. Not bad. This is the second run, cruise control, but we're in eco mode this time. And really, statistically, the difference is absolutely tiny. Just tiny. Does eco mode make a difference? On the highway, I don't think so. We got 55.1. This is the third and final loop for the day. No cruise control, normal mode. Slowing it down a little bit. Coming to the bridge. Let's see what we got here. 59.1, baby. So what I'm going to do is put in 1 gallon of E85 and then top the rest off with E10, and that'll take us up to an E15 blend, approximately. It's called splash blending, and we're going to blend it right in the tank. Now, before I did this, I checked with my friends at Hyundai and said, hey, is it okay to do this? And they said, well, you really should check to see what the manual says. And the manual for this car says nothing above E15. So we're going with E15. We're not going to test this on anything higher than that, although I'd like to, because these little turbocharged engines love high octane, and that's what ethanol brings, and it brings it at a lower price than anything else. Let's go put some juice in the tank. This is the end of the E15 loop, 68 miles per hour, cruise control. 54.7, that's pretty close to what we did on E10.